This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by backing up and locating duplicates. That protects you if something goes wrong. Open Contacts or phone right arrow contacts and scroll to spot repeated names. Once located, tap a duplicate contact to inspect fields, phone, email notes, so you know what to keep. If duplicates come from different accounts, make sure those accounts are visible in Settings right arrow contacts, right arrow accounts. Now that you can see matching entries, you're ready to merge or edit confidently. You'll merge duplicates using link contacts for a clean record. Open one contact, tap Edit, then scroll to Link Contacts, choose the duplicate and confirm. This preserves all fields without creating a new cluttered entry. If some info is missing, copy fields manually before merging to avoid loss. For batches, enable the iCloud account on both devices so changes sync. For Gmail or Exchange duplicates, adjust account sync settings. Once linked, verify the combined contact, shows every needed phone number and email. You finish by removing any stray duplicates once you've confirmed merged details. Long press or tap Edit right arrow delete contact for extras. If duplicates reappear, toggle contacts sync off and on for the specific account in Settings right arrow contacts, right arrow accounts. Wait a minute, then re-enable. That forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, sign out and back into the account or restore from your backup. Only use third-party dedupe apps after a backup, because they can change many contacts at once. Be cautious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.